But today we see as initial session how to clean or handle nulls. Null values in data. So this one as a separate session I will record. Next topic in the next section. Just please observe I'm launching my portal. So coming to regular resource group, my adf practice. So here I am launching this studio, adf studio. Okay. Let me go with the data flow as initial step. And we will start the data flow debug mode. Okay. Because it is taking time, that's why as initial step I am going to do that. So first I will switch on this. So the process is going on, meanwhile we do our work. We have a data set. First, let's check some physical data. So under my data lake is here, my big lake 1001. Under containers, our regular input folder is my data. Let's take this file and check the data of it. Look at last row, sir. In the place of salary, there is no value. Okay. In the place of salary, there is no value. For example, one more row I am going to be. Let's say 109. Here salary missed, gender also missed. Got it. I think the department is 30. And I'm saving this. Yes, some rows are properly cleaned, but last two rows, some values missed. There are no problems with the missed values, but mainly two problems you will get with missed values at the time of computation. For example, based on the salary, you are generating a new field, like a tax you are computing. For the tax, you are giving an expression, salary into 0.2. If salary value already existed, no problem. If salary is null into 0.2, again null. So computation error you will get. Your pipeline execution will be failed. That means your data flow execution will be failed because of one wrong value, one missed value. This is one case. Okay. So this is the thing I am explaining. Why should we clean nulls? Point one example, this one, computational errors. Okay. And second point, data loading errors. So why data loading errors will come? Think that your target is target table synapse. In that there is a table called staff. The staff schema is like this: ID, int, okay, name, car, something, salary, int, okay, but gender is a car, but the constraint for this is not none. What is the meaning of not none? Null values it won't allow. Now you are trying to push your data lake file into this synapse table, but here gender is not null. Definitely loading error will come because in the file at some row there is no gender value. Understood? So to avoid these two problems, first before you perform the transformations or before you loading, you have to clean the data. Got it? So how to clean in this session we will see. There are two ways. Both ways I will show you. Okay. Yeah, come back to the portal. So this is my data already. I have saved it. Come to your adf studio. So for your file, physical file, okay, let me keep something. The data flow name is clean null data flow. The source I am going to configure for this already I have a data set which is ds underscore emp100. Okay, this data set I am just using in the place of source. Just click on add source, configure our source. Sorry, output string name emp, data set ds underscore emp100. Okay, sir, online team, I am not able to hear you. If you want to speak anything, like you can chat. Any doubts, please chat. Okay, ds underscore emp100 data set I have selected. So come to the projection. In projection, you have, so whenever you are reading data from a file, everything has a integer only. Sorry, everything has a string only. But I want to perform some transformation in the next level. The two numerical computations I want to perform. So change data types accordingly. I'm going to change department number as integer. Gender string salary integer. And name ID. ID also I will keep as integer. On that way, I have changed the data types. And please confirm it by click on inspect. Data types as expected perfectly changed. Okay. But the thing is, there are null values. In two cases, we have null values. I want to replace nulls with some other constant values. Replace nulls with other constant values. That means indirectly I am going to perform updation. To do the updation, you have an activity, get metadata, sorry, derived column activity. But in our previous classes, you have seen about derived column. By using derived column, you can do two things. You can update existed column and you can create new column. Okay, now our target is updating existed columns. Got it. Okay. I just click on plus derived column. Click on this derived column and do the settings. First, I am going to target only salaries. In later, next page, you guide me how to clean the gender value. Salary is integer, gender is string, remember. First, I am targeting only salary. So here I am giving existed column, which is salary. If given column existed, it is for updation. If given column not existed, that is for new column generation. Okay. So here you have to give the expression. What expression that you have to give in the expression box? Observe here. You have a conditional statement, conditional function, I if. The syntax of it, I if condition, a true value, a false value. Got it? If the given condition is true, it returns true value. False, it returns false value. Okay. Whether a value, whether a field is null or not, how to identify is, observe here. No need to remember all these functions. You can check is null. Is there any function called is null or not? Check it. Is null function is there. Got it? Okay, I am using that one. Is null. Null of self. Got it. This one I am giving in the place of condition. Is null salary. If salary is null, I want to return 0 for null. I want to return 0 for null. If salary is not null, that means value existed. Same value I want to return. Suppose your salary 20,000. What about condition? False or true? Condition false, because that is not null. Condition false. So that what will be written? 20,000 will be written. For example, for you salary is missed. For you salary not entered. Then condition true. If condition true, it returns 0. Okay, 0 or whatever the constant they provided, supply that constant by. Got it? So this function I am going to give in the expression box. Just observe. I am giving this function. Save it. Just debug it, just for testing. Just click on data preview before writing it to the sync. Your null replaced with the 0 for salary or not, you please check it now. First data flow running will take time, sir. Because in the backend, two things have to be started. One is cluster. Second one is on that Databricks cluster, Spark session has to be started. Okay, that's why first flow will take time. Okay, please check all of you, especially the last rows. What happened? What happened to the salary? Previously nulls, now zeros. But still we did not clean gender. Okay, so now I want you to clean the gender. Tell me the expression. I if is null gender. If it is null, I am giving some constant unknown. Okay, unknown. Suppose if the condition false, condition field false means value entered, same value entered. Got it. This expression I give for gender. Just go to the settings, derived column settings, Add a new column. This time the column name I am giving gender. Gender is existed column, so that updation should happen. In the expression, I give our previously typed expression. If is null, gender. If it is null, unknown, the value unknown will be written. Else, same value will be written. But just a second. Now debug this and check it now. Just click on refresh.
So here else part is not required, right?
Got it. Now, if I load all these table data into the target sync, if my target sync is synapse table, in the synapse table, gender is not null. Gender column is not null. Any problem now? No problem. Got it? So this is one way. There is another function to clean the null here. I will show you the second function. So online team, please confirm me. I am not able to hear you.
1 second, sir.
Did you understand this or not?
Hello.
Please give me confirmation in chat.
Sushant here.
Then I will go to the second model. Okay. Okay, second model is very simple than this. Oh, sorry.
Hello.
I'm coming to for salary. I'm coming to expression box. Opening the same expression. Instead of giving I if, there is other function if null. You just check for that function. If null. Got it. If null is very simple to apply. Just observe. I if null of salary, comma 0. That's it. Here I have 3 options. Here I have 2 options, minimum 2 options. That means what is the meaning of it? If salary is null, replace with 0. If it is not null, replace with same value. Okay, that much simple. Just I am using this. I am changing. It's not copied. Once again, I will copy this. Not sir. I think spell mistake, the function. Let me check. Correct. Still showing some others. Oh, multi times it is repeated. If null, salary, comma 0. I'm removing remaining expression. Now error clear. Do the same modification for gender. Now you tell me the expression for this. If none, gender. If it is missed, that means if it is null, give some. Okay. Now replacing the same thing. Saving. Just debug now. Not debug, just click on data preview. Remember to run this data preview, debug mode should be on, sir. Just refresh. Okay, please check the last values, last rows. Especially we have missed values in the last. 0, 0, 1. The last column, department number, that is as usual. Okay. So in the next session, we see next type of transformation. How to do, I will explain.